Hello everyone, this is a powerful 4G SIM card router, which is capable of bringing excellence to your internet connection. Today we are going to present you a tutorial on how to install and set up your 4G SIM card router. Whether you are a novice or an experienced user, this video will provide you with concise and easy to understand steps to help you successfully complete the installation and configuration of your router. This 4G SIM card router has a simple and generous design with a compact body suitable for placement in a variety of environments. The router is equipped with multiple LAN ports and WAN ports to support dual options of wired and wireless connectivity. And the built-in SIM card slot supports worldwide 4G networks for a variety of application scenarios. The router's built-in high-performance processor ensures high-speed and stable data transmission and supports remote management, status monitoring, remote firmware upgrade and configuration, allowing you to easily control your network no matter where you are. Now let's demonstrate how to install this router. Firstly, let's take a look at the hardware connection. Please prepare your 4G SIM router, 4G SIM card, power adapter, and network cable. Firstly, insert your 4G SIM card into the SIM slot of your router, making sure the card is placed correctly. Next, connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into a power outlet. Then use the network cable to connect the router's LAN port to your computer. Next, let's do the software configuration. Switch on your computer and connect to the router's default Wi-Fi network. Usually, there will be a label on the bottom of the router with the default Wi-Fi name and password. Once connected, open your browser and enter the router's administrative address in the address bar. You enter the default username and password to log in. After logging in, you will see the router's management interface. Here you can set the network name, SSID, and password to ensure your network security. Next, you can check the 4G signal strength and make relevant settings for remote management and status monitoring. You need to enable the remote management feature in the router's settings. This allows you to monitor the status of your router from anywhere, anytime via your mobile phone or other device. In addition, you can perform remote firmware upgrades and configurations to ensure that the device is always up to date. With the above steps, you have successfully completed the installation and setup of the 4G SIM card router and mastered the remote management and other functions. This router is not only suitable for home and office, but also for industrial environments and outdoor applications. Technology connects the future, and the Owen-Elin's 4G SIM card router offers you endless possibilities. Thank you for watching and welcome to subscribe to our channel for more product guides and technical support.